Welcome back to AI Copywriting Tools. If you're running an e-commerce store right now, you already know that product photos can absolutely make or break your conversion rates. People buy with their eyes. If your product shots look cheap, your customers will assume the product is cheap. But let's be perfectly honest. Hiring a professional photographer, renting out a studio, and sorting out the lighting for every new product launch is incredibly expensive. It eats into your profit margins straight away. That's exactly why AI product photography has become the absolute gold standard for e-commerce marketing this year. Today, we're putting two of the biggest heavyweights in the ring. We're doing a full e-commerce photo showdown between Flair AI and ArtSpace AI. Now, before we get into the absolute nitty-gritty of how both of these AI image generators work, I'm going to give you a bit of a spoiler. After testing both platforms extensively for my own campaigns, ArtSpace AI is the overall winner for me, and it comes down to two very clear reasons. First, it offers an absolutely brilliant lifetime deal, which we all know is a massive relief when you're suffering from monthly subscription fatigue. And second, it provides a significantly wider variety of tools and use cases. You can learn more about ArtSpace and access the lifetime deal by following my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. But we'll get to exactly why that matters in just a moment. If you're new here, and you want to stay ahead of the curve with the best AI marketing software out there, make sure you like this video and subscribe to AI Copywriting Tools. It really helps the channel out, and it ensures you never miss a review. Right, let's dive straight into ArtSpace AI and why it takes the crown for e-commerce stores. ArtSpace AI isn't just a simple mock-up generator. It's essentially an entire AI design studio built into one clean, incredibly fast interface. When you log in, you aren't just getting a basic text-to-image prompt box. You're getting an infinite canvas. And for an e-commerce brand owner, an infinite canvas is a game changer. Imagine you're selling a new line of coffee beans. With ArtSpace, you can upload a raw, basic photo of your coffee bag that you snapped on your phone. For this demonstration, I'll just generate an image with ArtSpace New Image Generator. From there, you can use their one-click tools to completely transform the scene. You can erase the messy desk behind the bag with a brush stroke, and tell the AI to replace it with a rustic wooden table in a sunlit Parisian cafe. The lighting engine in ArtSpace is incredibly intelligent. It understands where the shadows should fall, based on the environment you just created. So, your coffee bag actually looks like it's sitting on that table, rather than just floating awkwardly in the foreground. But where ArtSpace really pulls ahead is the sheer versatility of the AI models it gives you access to. You're not locked into one specific style. If you want ultra-realistic photography for your product listings, you can have that. But if you want to create a stylized, illustrative aesthetic for an Instagram ad campaign, or a watercolor concept for a blog header, ArtSpace does all of that seamlessly. It's brilliant for your entire marketing funnel, not just the product page itself. You can generate the product shots, the background images for your website banners, and the creative assets for your Facebook ads all in the same workspace. And let's talk about that lifetime deal. If you're running a Shopify store or an Amazon FBA business, your monthly overheads are probably already quite high. You've got hosting, email marketing, inventory software. The list goes on. Most AI design tools right now want you to pay £20 to £40 every month, forever. ArtSpace AI flips that on its head with a lifetime pricing model. You pay once, and you've got a world-class AI design suite at your fingertips for good. The return on investment there is staggering. If it saves you from hiring a photographer for just one single product launch, the software has paid for itself multiple times over. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the challenger. Let's have a look at Flair AI. I want to be clear here. Flair AI is a fantastic piece of software. It's made a massive name for itself in the e-commerce space, and for very good reason. While ArtSpace is a sprawling, versatile design studio, Flair AI is a highly focused, specialized tool. When you log into Flair, the workflow is incredibly streamlined. It relies heavily on a drag-and-drop system that's so simple, you can master it in about 5 minutes. Let's say you run a skincare brand and you need to showcase a new bottle of face serum. In Flair, you just drag your product image onto the canvas. It instantly removes the background for you. Then you can literally drag and drop physical props around your product. You can pull in a stone pedestal, some scattered water droplets, and some botanical shadows from a palm tree. You position them exactly where you want them. Click Generate, and the AI renders the entire scene together perfectly. It matches the lighting, it creates the reflections, and it delivers a stunning agency-quality product photo. Flair's also packed with incredibly useful templates. If you're not feeling particularly creative, you can just click on a template titled something like Autumn Forest or Minimalist Bathroom, and it'll instantly map your product into that exact aesthetic. For sheer speed and zero-friction product staging, Flair is brilliant. So, where does it fall short compared to ArtSpace? Well, first, it's a subscription model. You're going to be paying a monthly fee to keep using it, which adds up over the course of a financial year. Secondly, it's quite restrictive outside of its main use case. If you want to design a full marketing campaign, create custom graphics, or do complex outpainting to expand an image for a wide website banner, Flair just doesn't have the tools for that. There's, however, a specific scenario where I'd tell you to choose Flair AI over ArtSpace. If you run a high-volume cosmetics, beverage, or supplement brand, and you've got zero design skills whatsoever. If your only goal is to generate 50 variations of a bottle sitting on different colored podiums as quickly as humanly possible, and you don't care about the monthly subscription cost, then Flair's probably going to be faster for that highly specific workflow. But for the vast majority of us, for the e-commerce entrepreneurs who need flexibility, who care about their monthly bottom line, and who want a tool that can handle every visual aspect of their business, ArtSpace AI is the clear champion. The combination of the infinite canvas, the advanced lighting control, the ability to generate any type of art or photo for any platform, and that incredibly rare lifetime deal makes it an absolute no-brainer. My link to the lifetime deal is in the description. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this breakdown helps you sort out your e-commerce photography and boost those conversion rates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to AI Copywriting Tools for more reviews, tutorials, and strategies to scale your business with artificial intelligence. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.